Well, g'day folks, Detectable. I'm out on the this new permission I've got. I've only just moved into this town about a month ago, and it's a big empty block behind my house. So you can just see this block. I can't really see it, probably there's too much sun glare. But that's my house that's over there. There's a gate through there I can just walk through. The boss, the owner, they said, yep, no worries, you can come in anytime you like. So that's my new house. And that little shed over there, that's going to be the man cave. So it's going to be the detecting central for me. I'm going to have all my stuff in there when I go to fit it out. Anyway, so I've been going around this block for a little bit. Just started over there in the corner where that little dark gate is over there, where the man cave is. And just swing along here. There's a lot of trash. There used to be a chicken farm, the owner was telling me, many decades ago. So I'm going over this area. I just started walking through here. I've got some targets, not many. A lot of trash targets, so I'll see what I've got so far. Get a bit of sun on that. So we've got an old toothpaste tube. It's got a plastic cap, so it's not that old. Keyhole escutcheon, is that what they're called? Looks like a hot water tap. The insert you put in there, and this thing, I don't know what that is. It's just an old screw cap thing. Well, that's it. Slim picking so far. The best thing is the keyhole. That's something I just got that over here just now. I thought I'd put that on film for you to have a look. So look, there you go. The chicken farm. This will be the chicken farm series. This is part one, and see how we go on the rest of the day. Anyway, on to the next. Well, folks, that Detectable's only been a few minutes, a few meters away from what last was just over there. And I should turn that down. There we go. And anyway, so I just had a scratch here, got a nice signal, 75 to 80, and I thought I'd dig it up because I'm not expecting to find any coins. It'd be nice to find some coins, but I just found this toy car. So there you go. There's nothing on the bottom. I can't read anything on the bottom there. And so it's just a no-name brand, I suppose, but it's an old racing car. I know a lot of my friends that love the racing cars. They've got a whole collection. I usually just chuck them out. A couple I keep. I've got one on my keyring. I haven't got it with me now, which I found a little fire truck, and I put it on my keyring. That looks pretty cool. But this one, pretty much toasted. But goes in the bag. I'll clean it up and see how it looks later on. Anyway, on to the next. Well, folks, Detectable. Just had a quick break for lunch. The missus went shopping and just called out to me. Got some lunch, so had some McDonald's. Anyway, digging a really deep hole here. Look at this. Oh, it's got to be at least a foot there. And what was it? A bit of iron. I don't know what that is. Probably part of an old chicken shed. Anyway, so more trash. Anyway, so let's see how we go. I'm using the Rose shovel. One I got from what's it? Relic and Treasure Hunters on Facebook. They had a little comp going a little while ago for the rat coins, and this is one of my prizes. So I've got some stickers on there. And Garrett 50 years celebration. Let's see, the Discriminators from UK and the Suffolk Sift from UK. So anyone else want to send some stickers out to me to put on my shovel? That's the Rose shovel, the Rose sticker that came with the shovel. Nice shovel, really good. Like I said, first time using it. I haven't really used it before because I was in sandy soil back in Melbourne, where I did a lot of my florins and silver coins. Got a whole bunch of those. Anyway, so yeah, send me some stickers. So drop a comment and I'll get back to you. On to the next. Well, folks, next target off the chicken farm block. Just finished the first lap along there. Just come down from, there's a burn pile in the middle over there somewhere near the trailer. Can't zoom in, my glove won't register on the phone. But yeah, there's a burn pile over there. So I'm just coming down from that, and I've got a nice signal. I've had other couple of signals and been really trashy, big sheet metal stuff. Anyway, I just found this stuff, this little crushed up little thing. It says, what's it? Pocket dust off. I can't read what that says. If you can read that, just let me know. So something about, I don't know what it is, a spray or something. Who knows? Anyway, so that's that little tin there. Nothing major. They're not finding much here. Just like I said, lots of big sheets of sheet metal, flashing. Who knows what it is? And just odds and ends of decomposed iron, little bits and pieces. So nothing flash. I was hoping to find something good, but I knew it's going to be a lot of metal, and there is a lot of targets, a lot of choppy signals. So anyway, I'm going to keep going for a little bit longer and see how it goes. I might just give it a miss, but you don't know until you give it a go. So who knows, I might find something really cool. So anyway, see how we go. On to the next. Folks, detectable. It's been about probably 15-20 minutes or so since the last little video and the last find, and this is one of about half a dozen finds that I've found recently. Nothing flash, like again, just a lot of trash and old bits and pieces, but nothing to mention. But this is the fourth toothpaste tube I found on this property, and I've only, you see, there's the fence, there's my house right there. So I'm not far, just walking up and down the track. There's the old chicken coop there, one of the old chicken coops in there under the tree. I'm sure you can see that. I can't see anything, the glares, it's under my eyes at the moment. Anyway, so here it is, toothpaste tube, and there's an old nail down there as well. Just get that out. There's that nail. Anyway, yeah, so that's all I'm finding. Toothpaste tubes and bits of fittings, like hose fittings. I found a couple of little bits and brassy bits. I'm not sure I can pull them out. Got a lot of stuff in my bag at the moment. Yeah. That's my lighter. There you go. That's that thing I found earlier. A little like a compact tin, crushed to bits. Bit of foil. There's one of those brass fittings. More junk. I think I'm bottom of a battery somewhere. Just dig it in my bag. A little stuff out. So here, look, toothpaste tube, and junk, leads, beer tops, and other stuff. What's in here? So it just keeps coming. There's a bottom of a battery there. That old car I found earlier. A bit of copper, something. So yeah, just all junk. That's what I'm finding. Nothing flash. Probably the best target I found today was at the keyhole escutcheon. I can set it properly this time, but that's all I'm finding. So I'm going to call it quits for now, and see you on the next hunt. That's it. I'm going to just call it a day, and see if the missus needs some help around the house, because we are still doing stuff around the house to settle in, and the man cave's got to be done. I've got to paint that, seal it up and paint it, and put a nice rug in there, and a nice bench, and a nice chair, and a nice TV, and a lot of other nice things that go in there as well. So anyway, see you on the next hunt, and enjoy the rest of your day.